This tech reads venom like a secret code, and it flips everything we thought we knew about evolution. Scientists built an AI engine that scans millions of venom peptides in minutes, and that means it can spot the exact mutations animals evolved to turn simple proteins into weapons. But the wild part is how the AI links those mutations to survival pressures, so it tracks why venom appeared in different species again and again. Which means the same system now helps engineers design new medicines by tracing the logic of nature's deadliest molecules. And that's why Venom Tech is rewriting biology from the inside out.